Alright, so once we have the radio bezel off, we're going to remove the 4 10mm bolts. Slide the radio out, disconnect the antenna and the factory connector, and there we have it. Alright, to remove the factory amp, we have to undo 2 Phillips head screws and then finagle it out. Once this is out, we can pop the 2 connectors that we will need for our harness. So this can go bye-bye. Same thing with the forerunners. Now we have these. Let's check, make sure this one works. 70, 17, 61. Connects and connects. All right, there we go. Now I can wire up the radio and get it installed. And this person has a Sirius system, so I will have to keep the antenna in line. So they got a Sirius XM module right here. All right, on to the next one.